Hi there and welcome back to our Orlando videos. We've just said goodbye in the previous video in Beaches and Cream. We are now heading back to the Grove Resort where we are staying. We did have a problem when we arrived and checked in. They had got our room muddled and didn't actually have the room that we had booked. So we had to stay somewhere for 4 days, and then we finally today get to move to the room that we were originally supposed to have. The room wasn't ready when we got back, so we had to hang around for the afternoon, and then finally we got to change rooms, and that's what you get to see today. I do explain a little bit more about the problems that we had, just in case you were wondering, but we were really happy when we were finally settled. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching.
Big storm going off over there. Did you see the lightning, Louis?
Yeah. We're moving rooms. We are on floor 7, our new floor. We are 1715. Yeah, we're in the room we should be. This was the original that we booked, what we looked at 10 months ago. We have got the springs and the lake room, which has all the Disney fireworks. Be able to see all the fireworks from here. We're on the top floor. It's so nice, and this is a much nicer room as well. We've got that lovely big mirror. There's artwork all on the corridor as well. The other corridors are really plain. This is our room, same obviously layout as before. Balcony, we've got our little solarium area, coffee area, and no road out there. The noise of the cars was driving me potty. You can see the pier from here.
So nice, yeah?
Yeah, oh look, the little paddle boat, so we can see down there.
You can see even here with the light.
Yeah.
There's a table space.
Yeah, that's true. Oh, that's a better working area for me.
I actually just thought of this.
Yeah, oh look at that lovely mirror in our room as well.
I know.
Yeah, there is so much more thought gone into this room.
They've got the tonal colours here.
Just a shame the wardrobe area is open.
That's the only thing I'd say.
I know.
Only thing I've noticed, the light.
Oh, we've got towel rails in this room as well. Although there is a hook on the other one.
The light goes on, the fan goes on.
Yeah.
I've just moved the blankets.
And this bath is cleaner. The other bath was full of paint.
Windows are clean.
Windows are clean.
Slightly darker, but I don't
I don't mind that. I like the colour that they've chosen for the walls.
Yeah, that's great.
Look at the kids' rooms. Like the one we looked at? Yeah, exactly. This is, yeah, the original one we looked at, but up one floor. So Louis actually got lights in this room. The other Louis' room, the lights didn't work. I wonder if your electricity on your side works as well. You couldn't use any. Oh, is that still not working? That one isn't. Because you couldn't plug anything in your side either, could you?
Is that okay?
His light still doesn't work.
Oh, you're joking. Hang on a minute. We might be able to find where it's plugged in though.
This does, so yeah.
There's the restaurant down there as well.
My alarm clock didn't work.
Right, Louis, you've got a choice on this one.
Let's go and have a look at Holly's room. Oh, oh, Louis, you're going to have to really be careful. That sticks out.
See?
You're right.
Yeah, oh, that really hurt. I'm always falling over. And Louis' bathroom. Same as before. And Holly's bedroom. Holly, you've got nice art in your room. This is nice. Do your lights work, Holly? Yeah. Why's your TV crooked? Yeah. Oh, yeah. You see, Holly gets a wardrobe. No, she doesn't get a door actually, because obviously that's the thingy door. Why don't they have any doors on the wardrobes?
Oh, yeah.
Did your other one? No, it's just strange.
It opens outward, doesn't it?
Yeah. But no, I think this is nice at this condo. Do you agree?
Now?
Yeah, now to unpack.
Oh, should we put some of the stuff in the fridge? So it's
Yeah, that's a good idea. We'll do the fridge first.
Smaller fridge, but
I still think they need something by the door for you to put your shoes.
Yeah.
A little rack down there. That would be nice.
Right,
I do
ice
love this
cream
great big mirror though.
I saw ice cream somewhere.
We are so much happier in this room. We've fully unpacked as we've been half living out of cases for the last couple of days, or last 4 days. and we're much happier. When we checked in, because we had booked the Superior Suite, we actually got showed around it in August when we were here last year, and we were actually showed around the actual condo in the floor below, and we were sold it on the point that you could see the fireworks and all that. And so when we checked in, we got told that we were given a superior room, which it really wasn't, because obviously I had the road view and we couldn't see any fireworks. And then we got told that actually none of the rooms have proper fireworks view, and now we're in this room. We've been told it now is a fireworks view, and we can see in the distance, I know it's not going to pick up on here, but we can see very clearly Everest, Tower of Terror. We can see the work going on at Coronado Springs. We can see Swan and Dolphin. We can see Spaceship Earth. We can see, looks like the Contemporary, and we can even see the castle from our room. So that tells me we should have a fireworks view. We are so happy. This is a much nicer room. The other condo that we had was very new, and I think it had literally just opened. It had been really shabbily finished. There was paint on the furniture, there was paint where there shouldn't be paint all in the bath. There was still plaster that hadn't been cleaned properly off the windows, inside and out, all over the mesh on the balcony. It was just really badly finished, but the walls were really plain. We have in our room here a great big mirror on an empty wall, and in the other one there was nothing. It was a huge wall that was just empty. The corridors are all nicer here and just much nicer carpet. They were filthy in the other place. They had not been cleaned once in the 4 days that we've been here, and they've just got dirtier and dirtier. And we could actually work out, because it's a bit of a rabbit warren here, it's really difficult to navigate. The signage is really poor, but I had what I called a purple poo on one of the corridors. I don't know what it was, but it looked like poo. And that's how I knew that that was our corridor. Just looked out for the purple poo. But it's much cleaner up here. The walls are nicely painted in the corridor. There's artwork hanging. It looks like a resort. It looks really nice. The other tower where we were, the miles from anywhere, it was brand new, but it hadn't been finished. So we are so much happier here. We're finally unpacked, and we're off to Target, and then we're going to come back. I think we're having pizza. I'm going to see the fireworks, hopefully, from our new condo. Something else I've done in the condo this year, I've got a bowl for our magic bands, bug spray and sun lotion. So either we pick them up on the way out, never forget them, and obviously then we take the suntan lotion and bug spray to the car with us as well. I found this really helpful this year. This is so much nicer, this corridor. Look, we have artwork. Have you noticed how much cleaner this corridor is as well? Yeah.
But have you seen how even though this is older,
yeah,
it looks newer?
Yeah, it does, doesn't it? I think it's just because the other was dirty and hadn't been finished properly. Do you need more? They don't have my ones that I really like.
No, I can't.
Lots of lovely because you love stationery, Louis, that's why. I always think these look really fun. Sure. To put your food in.
They'd go on top of the fridge and we'd never use them.
Yeah, possibly. Oh, Mickey Mouse Ziploc bags, they look fun. Do you think so? Do love a notepad.
I know you do.
Yeah. That one's a nice one.
I like that one.
Why do you like something that's just plain?
It's better.
Ideas and such? But everything starts with a dream.
No. Sounds horrific. Sound like Martin Luther King.
Do you think he had a notepad like that?
No. To write his speech in that house that we saw. Oh, church. We saw the
Yeah, that was quite
church
cool actually.
He practiced his speech before
Yeah.
he gave it in Washington.
That's really cool because we've actually seen the Washington one as well.
Yep.
These are nice notepads.
It's like we followed him around.
Yeah. We nearly saw his birth home as well, didn't we? But it was rainy. We decided not to stop. Or pencil cases. Anybody want a pencil case? Is that for your lunchbox?
No, I was literally going to say, should I get James this and then fill it with sweets for his birthday?
Would that be a nice present? Does he like the Avengers?
Yeah, that's the joke, but it's like a
That's
kiddie
really
one.
nice. Oh, Holly would love this one. Wouldn't she? Holly, have you seen this one? What have you seen? I've seen the perfect lunchbox for you.
Sandwich cutters.
What? Yeah, but then you waste all the others around you.
How cool is
That's what I always
Oh, I
think
like the
of.
bento box. That's nice. Yeah, but you waste all the rest around it then. Perfect t-shirt for Holly.
Oh, look, it's the shirt that I have.
Aid, who are you texting? Taco Shark. What every man needs on his top. It wouldn't be my first choice of a top. Yeah,
I think you can get that one at
but not for $12.99.
No.
I think that dress would look really nice on you.
No.
I quite like this vest top. That's quite nice.
Should we get one of those?
What for you?
Oh, that is quite a nice one.
Oh, I quite like that one with Mickey in the pocket. It's a dollar spot. Aid. Kiddified at the moment. There are some nice mugs. The only thing I find with cheaper mugs, generally, well actually that's quite heavy. I was going to say they don't always have the weight behind them.
Yeah.
Are there any that you quite like? I quite like that one.
That's the one with the squirrel.
Oh yeah, that's quite sweet. Bless you. You're yawning. In our new room, we've got the Epcot fireworks just starting. That's really cool being able to see them, isn't it? Looks so bright, doesn't it?
It looks like it's on fire.
Yeah, it does actually. What will be cool is when the Magic Kingdom ones start as well. They start in 15 minutes.
Well, during it.
I don't know if these
Doesn't
will
it
have
last
finished.
longer than it lasts?
I don't know, I can't remember how long they
I
last.
swear there are ones that open up.
That's what I'm thinking. Well, no, no, it used to be because Star Wars was also at 9, wasn't it? That's why. Anyway. Oh look! Oh, that looks so cool. So we got pizza delivered to our room
Mind your plates, I need to come past.
and
I've got the parking.
Epcot fireworks, and we'll be getting the Magic Kingdom fireworks soon as well. How's the pizza, kids? Is that $12? I thought that was really good. Delivered to your room.
You'll...
I'm okay at the moment, please. We're just waiting. The Magic Kingdom fireworks have just started. We've just seen some lights. This will be happily ever after, won't it?
Yeah.
Is that the castle in between? See past the red and there's a little glow.
Like a little purple.
Yeah, you can just see it, yeah.
That's the tip of it, probably.
Yeah, that's the castle where the little blue light
Are we
is.
watching this from Royal Slot?
We will be, actually. And they told us that we wouldn't have a firework view.
Stranger the bellboy who said you got a fireworks view.
Yeah. You taking them with your camera as well?
Oh, I'm going to try.
Oh, that was pretty. That's
We
so
could have had the
cool.
music thing, because Adam's done that before. Staying at home.
Ah, what, like taking
I
it?
don't know if you can play it live. And like,
No, but you'd just take a recording of it, wouldn't you?
no,
Oh,
well, you can have this. You can play the song. on
that's what I
YouTube.
mean,
It's just
yeah.
starting at the right time to have it.
Yeah,
synced
exactly.
with the fireworks
Millions.
to run the park for one day in like wages,
Hmm.
electricity.
Wages easily, I reckon. Do you reckon millions wages?
I don't know.
We got the Hollywood Studios Star Wars fireworks now.
You know that every time they go up, it's gonna be
Yeah.
like a roar of the trumpet.
I quite like the idea, like what Holly said, of having the YouTube music going along, sort of finding it online. That'd be quite fun. It's doing all this projection stuff now, isn't it, on the front of the theatre? That is other projections. Can you see in the sky? I bet they're phantasmic.
Where?
In a minute, look, can you
Oh,
see?
yeah.
I bet they're phantasmic. Thank you so much for watching. I do have a couple of other videos of the Grove Resort, which I will link up for you below. It is Tuesday and it's a Typhoon Lagoon day for us. And the wave pool has just started.